In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort a list of month names in Google Sheets in just a few steps. First, we'll start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Sheets, google.com. Once you're there, make sure to sign in with your Google account to gain access to your Google Sheets. After logging in, locate and open the spreadsheet containing the list of month names that you'd like to sort into calendar order. With your spreadsheet open, find the column where your list of months is displayed. You'll want to click the letter above the column that sits immediately next to your month names. By doing this, you select the entire column, which allows us to add a new one for our sorting formula. Here's how. Simply right-click on the header above this selected column and choose the option that says Insert one column right. This creates a new blank column for us to work in. Next, we're going to input a formula that will help us transform our list of months into their respective order. In the first cell of this new column, you'll want to type the following formula: equals match, open parenthesis A2 comma, open curly brace, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Close curly brace, comma 0, close parenthesis. Once you've typed it all out, press the Enter key. If everything is entered correctly, you'll see a numerical representation of the month displayed in this cell. Now, let's quickly duplicate this formula for the rest of your list. Take your mouse to the lower right corner of this newly filled cell, where you'll see a small square. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it downward, automatically copying the formula for all rows in the column where you have month names. With the helper column filled, it's time to highlight all your data, including this new column. Click and drag to select all the rows and columns that are part of your data set. Next, look towards the top of your screen and click on the Data menu. From there, you'll see an option called Create a Filter. Go ahead and select that to activate the filter option. A small filter icon will now appear on each column header, especially on our new helper column. Click the filter icon on this column and choose Sort A to Z. This action sorts your entire table, arranging it in chronological month order. For those looking to keep the sheet clean and tidy, you have the option to right-click the header of your helper column and choose Hide Column. This hides the column from view without deleting it, maintaining the sorted data as is. And there you have it. Your list of month names is now neatly sorted into calendar order.